This variation comes from one of the best bongoceros, Johnny Rodriguez. It's a variation that can be tricky, so use the touches to coordinate your hands and even consider leaving out the left hand at the end of the phrase if you feel like it's easier to transition to the embra. Johnny plays this variation with either alternating hands, like it's written here, or with two right hand strokes, so he doesn't need to move his left hand over to the embra. So try both ways and really focus on good sounds for open tones and accents.